How to log in into MetaTrader 5 account. Let's get started. First of all, launch the MetaTrader 5 application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you will land on this interface. Now from here, navigate to top left corner and tap on three-line icon. From this drop-down box at the top, there is a button as Get Started. It says log into existing account or open demo account. Click on Get Started or tap on Get Started. Now from this account page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the plus icon. You will land on this page. Now, if you want to find your broker, you can simply tap on the search bar and search for your broker. Or if you like to log in with your demo account, tap on MetaQuotes Ltd. You will land on this page. Now, if you want to open a new demo account, there is an option at the top that says open a demo account. Tap on it, follow some screen instructions, and then you can open a demo account. Now, if you like to log into your existing account, at the below of that, there is a login prompt. So first of all, you have to type in your password. You have to type in your ID. Under that, you have to choose your server. And if you like to save password, tap on the checkbox to save your password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Tap on it and follow some screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done typing in your login information, then you can simply tap on login. After that, you'll be logged in with your demo account. So this is the way to log in into MetaTrader 5 account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.